Okay, we've gone off and we've sanded this down so we get a little bit better fit. So we're going to glue this piece on. And then we'll clamp this and let it set up for a few hours. And then we can clamp the other side and then let it set overnight so we get a good solid bond on it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. You want to make sure you get the entire piece covered with glue. Make sure we got the right side. To go. That's pretty good. So now we're going to clamp this down. Remember, you just want to make it snug so it doesn't slide all over on you when you're trying to get it situated where it goes. You want to make sure it's right. So you just make it snug till you get all your clamps on there and you get it situated where you want it to be. Because once this sets up, you're not going to be able to move it. Good. And we just wipe off this excess glue and tighten it down. We'll set this aside and let it set up. And I'll give it an hour or so I get a good grip on it. Then we can add this last piece on the other side. Thanks for watching.